Now I am in a typical paddy field in Sri Lanka. This is a paddy field in Kuliyapiti, Kurunal district, Kuliyapiti in village called Vavagama. Now it is in the inter-harvesting season. There are two harvesting seasons in Sri Lanka called Yala and Maha. Now people are preparing for next harvest season. That this paddy field is depend on the rainwater. There are two monsoons in Sri Lanka, north, east and southwest. Some of other paddy fields in Sri Lanka depend on the water from the collected water reservoir called well. Actually, this place has been a well water reservoir about maybe about 100, maybe about maybe about 1,000 years before, and it was broken. Now it was converted to paddy field. It is about 4,000 acres paddy field. Now this is the largest, one of largest paddy field in this area, and this, as I said before, is depend on the rainwater. This village is called Vavagama because Vava is for the reservoir, Gama is for village. The village built on this broken reservoir Vava is called Vavagama. This area, there are a lot of people, they are cultivating this paddy field. If you came here about 30 years before, there should be a lot of buffaloes in this paddy field, because those days the people used buffaloes to cultivate. Now they have tractors and harvesters and other things to cultivate. This is a very fertile paddy field situated in Sri Lanka, depend the rainwater. The place is called Vavagama or village in Risavaya. This is a very large paddy field.